Okay, so I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to play test my own multiplayer game, and while I'm doing it, I'm going to be giving live feedback to my transcription recorder on my phone, and that transcript I'm going to go give to Claude Code to see if it can pick up on my suggested changes from the transcript and then go back in and tidy something up, fix it all up. So here we go. Here's a test. So I'm playing my Dungeon Crew game now, and I have a split screen view on my computer. On the left, I'm going to have the teacher's screen, and on the right, I'm going to have the student screen. So, teacher, forge a new adventure. Okay, when I've hit forge a new adventure, the story is coming up. I don't want the story to appear here. I want the story to appear once the game has been started. So, no, 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 no. Okay, I like this. Um, I like this story, although it doesn't properly explain any of the game mechanics. So hopefully later in the game there's going to be a bit of a tutorial, step by step, very clear, maybe with some illustration. But don't forget as well, I plan to have artists come back through here, replace any sort of placeholder graphics, place any sprites. Now I'm looking at the lobby screen and the UI is not vertically centered. I think it would be good if it is vertically centered, and I don't intend for this game to be running on any phones as well. So, if we scale this screen down to a phone size or it detects it's on a phone, I want it to display sorry, some kind of message that says we want you to be on a bigger screen like a tablet or a tablet being the smallest. So our game code, I'm going to enter that now. Just looking at this lobby process, I think we want to, like, I understand this intuitively, but I think we want to just add a couple of extra, not pieces of text, but symbols or little animated arrows or something that would make this a bit more child friendly because I am wanting this to target kids that are in primary school potentially. And so the more reading and complexity they have to do, it's going to be a bit confusing. So we just want to very slowly introduce things and make it very intuitive for them. So anyway, I'm going to pick my class. We can come back to all of these numbers, but I don't think they're going to understand what that is right now. So we need to think down the track of a solution to them understanding what all of this is. But for now, I'll just pick that, enter the realm. Again, this user interface is not vertically aligned. I would like it to be vertically aligned. Um, and potentially scaled to the container. Maybe we can expand the UI just so that it fits to the screen a bit better and uses up more real estate. So I'll begin the adventure. Okay, this is good. Okay, I like that this how to play has popped up for the player. Now, again, I'm seeing that both of these user interfaces are not vertically aligned, nor are they designed to optimize the full screen space. I think that would be good to experiment with. Text is a little small on my screen. Um, Now, is it too busy? Coins, attack points, shields, action points, health. I think that's all right for now. Um, these abilities, I think maybe what we'll do is we'll hide the abilities at the start of the game, and then we'll create an NPC interaction where those abilities are revealed. All those abilities are sort of tucked away, they're already there. Maybe they're already existing where they are right now, but the NPC is the one that explains what they do. And we could also maybe have some tooltips pop up inside the player UI as a bit of a sort of tutorial. Um, I'm happy with this backpack, this your turn. Okay, I'm happy with this for now. This is all right. I think an artist can also turn some of this around to make it a bit more intuitive. Okay, so now I'm going to move. Okay, I like that I can see where I can move on the teacher's screen, but I don't like this choose a tile option on the player screen. Um, I want it to just be controlled by the teacher. So instead of saying choose a tile and letting me do that, you can just remove that feature and say pick it on the screen. All right, so let's move. That looks good. I like that. Teacher, I want you to confirm. There we go. So that looks like it's used one action point. I can now talk to the wizard. Okay, I could think of a better user interface for that, but for now, we'll keep it. Okay, so I think that's all right for now. And what I'll do in the next video is come through and work on combat. But for now, we've got the general things down pat. Okay, there we go. Now I'll turn that into a transcript, give it to Claude Code, and we'll see what updates we get.